Yodeck's interactive library app ensures your viewers always get the content they need, exactly when they need it. This app goes beyond simple displays, offering customizable interactive content categories to captivate attention and boost engagement. You can add up to 6 content categories and let your audience select the specific content they want to view. The interactive library app is more than a tool. It's your gateway to delivering smarter, more engaging digital content. From interactive playlists to customizable layouts and dashboards, this premium app is designed to captivate your audience and simplify your content delivery. The interactive library app is great for lobby signage in offices, hospitality, banks, and more. Help visitors with a wayfinding solution and provide them with floor and office information. Or use the app to give people access to information segmented by specific sections, languages, and departments. Whether you're streamlining operations, enhancing customer experiences, or boosting engagement, the interactive library app delivers exactly what you need when you need it. Ready to redefine how you deliver content? Unlock the power of the interactive library app today. Explore the possibilities, empower your audience. Start your journey by upgrading to the enterprise plan today.